Somebody else looking round the house again.
Aye?
He seems to be taking more time about it than the one we had in last week.
Will you get down from there, Neville?
He's found the crack in the plaster at the top of the stairs, the dodgy double glazing that could catch you unawares, the defective DIY and the leaking roof. He's stripped away the lies to get closer to the truth. He's found dry rot, woodworm and timber defects, and the floor that might collapse when folks are having pork pies with brown sauce. Is thorough and professional. Probably the best one in the land. Is a Yorkshire Surveyor, so he's gradely, champion, grand. The Yorkshire Surveyor. He speaks your language. Offices in Harrogate, York and Leeds.
I hope you're going to pick that up.
Hey, do you think he can hear mice under floorboards? I'm sure he can.
I think we better start packing.